In this comprehensive guide, you'll discover the exact systems successful faceless channels use to thrive.
I run 5 faceless YouTube channels generating over $15,000 monthly, and today I'm the villagers. YouTube automation is a business model where you create and manage profitable channels without appearing on camera. The automation ecosystem combines AI tools for content creation, freelance platforms for DDoS.
These 9 niches consistently generate the highest CPM rates, from 8 to 50 per thousand views. Use YouTube search to find successful channels in your niche. Analyze their most viewed videos. Check Social Blade for estimate. Don't just chase the biggest channels. Find the sweet spot where demand exists, but competition is manageable. Start with AI script writing using ChatGPT or Claude. AI generates structured scripts in minutes instead of hours. Use AI voice generators like 11 Labs or Murph.ai to create natural-sounding narration. Combine AI video editors like InVideo for templates, Pictory for auto-scene creation, and image generators. Outsource to Fiverr. Hire video editors for $30 to $100 per video, thumbnail designers for $10 to $25. Create click-worthy thumbnails using Canva templates or hire designers on Fiverr. Follow proven formulas like Bolton. Master YouTube SEO with TubeBuddy or vidIQ. Research high-volume, low-petition keywords. Use YouTube's scheduling to maintain consistency. Analyze your audience's peak activity times in analytics and statistics. Monitor key metrics weekly. Watch time and CTR are most important for algorithm. Reach YouTube Partner Program requirements. 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours in 12 months. Diversify income beyond ads. Negotiate sponsorships once you hit 10K subs and promote affiliates. Once one channel succeeds, replicate the system. Successful automation entrepreneurs run 3. You now have the complete YouTube automation blueprint. Start today. Subscribe for weekly automation tutorials.